This easy dinner only costs $10. We're starting off with 2 cans of tuna for 96 cents each. We're grabbing our egg noodles for $1.74, 2 cans of cream of chicken soup for 74 cents each, 1 block of sharp cheddar cheese for $1.87, 1 bag of sweet peas for 98 cents, and a small milk for $1.67.
All right, that was our cooked egg noodles that we put in our 9x13. Now I have my 2 cans of tuna that we drained, and we're gonna put that right into our pan with our pasta. Make sure you get all of that protein out. We don't wanna miss any of the little bits, and we're just getting that all in there. You can use as many cans as you want. It actually only calls for 6 ounces, but I rounded up to 10. And you could also do a canned chicken if you prefer, but I really just felt like tuna today. All right, now we have our frozen peas that we're going to put right into our pan with that tuna and that pasta. I have my 2 cans of cream of chicken, and we got the Walmart brand so that it would be more affordable, more budget friendly. But you could get the low sodium, you could get whatever kind of cream of soup you like, but this is gonna be so easy and bring all of the moisture and deliciousness that we need. We just need to make sure to really empty out those cans because we want a lot of moisture. And you can use mayo instead of one of the cans, but mayo is kind of expensive, so I just opted for, you know, the super cheap can of condensed chicken. All right, and we're gonna get that all out. This is our second can, super quick. Okay, and we don't want to forget our milk, so we're gonna add some milk into our empty can, help get some of those, you know, cream of chicken out, and we're just gonna mix that in super quick. If you don't want to use milk, you could use water or a chicken broth, but I think this is gonna make it extra creamy. I'm just pouring that all in there. And if you want to add more milk, we have plenty, but I'm going to keep it like that. Okay, now we are going to mix everything together. This will also be where you would want to season it. So if you want to add some salt, some pepper, some garlic powder, some onion powder, go for it. But I'm just keeping it as is so that we can have our quick and easy under $10 dinner ready in no time. And we're just making sure that everything gets mixed together. The tuna, the peas, the cream of chicken, the pasta, and that milk. This is going to be so delicious, so easy to throw together, great for a weekday. Great for when you're feeling lazy. So let's go ahead and make sure this gets fully combined. All right, we got that nice and well mixed. We're just flattening it out so that we have a nice even surface for our cheddar cheese. Yep, we splurged on the sharp cheddar cheese. Now you can buy shredded if you want, but we're gonna shred it ourselves because it's cheaper that way, more budget friendly. We're gonna lock in our cheese grater. I love this thing, and we are gonna add probably this whole thing because I love cheese. So why would I hold back? Just get that and then kind of pull it out as you grate it. Yummy. And you can use whatever cheese you like. I just think that cheddar goes great with tuna, peas, cream of chicken, all of that. But we got that whole 8 ounces nice and grated. Unlock this and make sure it all gets in our pan. All right, perfect. Now it is time to spread this out. This is gonna be kind of like the cheese crust on top of our tuna casserole. Yum. Okay, I think that looks good enough. All right, my oven is set to 350 and this is gonna be in there for about 45 minutes. All right, our tuna casserole for under $10 is ready to enjoy. Now this should feed a family of 4, so keep that in mind, but let's dig in. Oh yeah, look at that. Looks good, smells good. I know it's gonna be delicious because it was cheap and I like it that way. All right, it's gonna be hot. Oh yeah. You guys are gonna love this.